Hello everyone, welcome to Tap and Solve. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your big ticket account and how to buy big ticket online step by step without any mistakes. So before we start, please support us by subscribing to Tap and Solve. Your support really helps us grow and create more useful videos just like this. All right, let's get started. How to create a big ticket account? First, open your Chrome browser, click on the search bar and type big ticket. Now click on the official website. Once you are on the home page, click here and click create account. Now listen closely and watch carefully so you don't miss any important steps. Step 1. Enter your basic information. Enter your mobile number. Enter your Gmail address. Create a strong password. Then click Next. You can receive your OTP through SMS or WhatsApp. Choose one, enter the OTP, and click Next again. Step 2. Enter your personal details. You must enter your information exactly as it appears on your Emirates ID or passport. This is very important to avoid any issues when claiming a winning prize. Enter your first and last name. Enter your date of birth. Select your gender, select your nationality. Next, choose how you want to verify your identity. Passport or Emirates ID. Enter your selected ID number and expiry date. Step 3. Enter your address. Select the country you currently live in. Select your state emirate. Enter your city, area, and complete home address. Now click Create Account. Step 4. Verify your email. Open your Gmail app, find the verification email from Big Ticket, and click the link to complete the process. You will see a confirmation message saying your account is successfully verified and activated. Now return to your Chrome browser. Click Sign In and log in using your registered email and password. Congratulations, your Big Ticket account is now ready. How to buy Big Ticket online? On your dashboard, scroll slightly down, you will see all available ticket numbers, promotions, next draw date, price details. If you want to refresh ticket numbers, simply click Refresh, choose your desired number and click Add to Cart. Here you can review your ticket details and the total amount, if everything looks correct. Click Proceed to Checkout. Step 5. Make your payment. You can pay using card payment, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Samsung Pay. Enter your card details, then click Pay. Enter the OTP you receive and click Confirm. Wait a few seconds. Congratulations. You have successfully purchased your big ticket online. Step 6. Download your e-ticket. Click on Download e-ticket. Go to your Downloads folder and open the file to view your ticket. You can also check your ticket anytime by going to View Order History. Final message. If you have any questions or need help, just comment below. I will definitely reply. And don't forget to subscribe to Tap and Solve for more clear and useful content. Best of luck.